What's good, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Zamir from Access the Tunes. Thank you so much for being here. In this video I'll be making a melodic trap beat in Cubase Pro 10.5. Yeah, if this is the first time here, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, turn on notification, smash that like button, and share this video to all your friends and families. Alright, so let's jump right in. I'm gonna start this beat with rhythmic elements, so I'm gonna produce the beat first, the drums, and then I'll come up with some melodies for this beat. So let's go ahead and find nice punchy kick. Okay, I like this. Okay, I'm gonna program the drums. You know, there are many ways that you can program the drums. You can use the MIDI, the key editor, of course, and you can use the keyboard, and also you can use the step designer. If you guys want to know how to use step designer to create drum patterns, go check out my Cubase tips and tricks video. There's a lot of nice, great tips in that video. You guys have to check it out, alright? Let me just create some nice pattern here. The tempo of this project is currently set to 122. Okay, if you want to zoom in, just press Ctrl and use the mouse wheel to zoom in and zoom out. It's one of my favorite features in Cubase. That sounds good. Let me increase the velocity here. Yeah. Okay, I duplicate the first pattern, but I'm going to change the third and fourth bars pattern. Okay, I like that. And I'm going to copy and paste this again, and for the 7th and 8th bar at the end here, I'm going to change it so we have more variation. Okay, let's try that. Yeah, I like that. And I'm gonna need some nice snare. Let's program 2 bars first. Let's go. Love it. Okay, actually I'm gonna keep that pattern for the 3rd and 4th bar. For the 1st and 2nd bar, I'm gonna delete this part here. Let's hear it. For the 8th bar, I'm going to add one more snare right there. I want to lower the velocity. Yeah. Let's add some hi-hat. Okay, let's find some short, shiny hi-hat. Okay, here I'm gonna have some kind of roll. Let's see. Move this down. Let's copy and paste. I'm gonna have like triplet pattern here. Let's go to 16 triplet and copy. Let me move this down. That sounds good. Cool. I'm gonna copy and paste, but right now I'm gonna change the pattern a little bit. Okay. Okay, now this beat is hitting really hard. Let's hear it one more time. Okay, the snare is a little loud, so I'm gonna reduce the level, the kick as well. Nice. It's time to add melodies. So let's bring in the flute. That sounds good. Should we record that? That's okay. Let's quantize this. I think I want to add some reverb. Okay. Cool. Now I'm going to add some delays. Now I got the melody and I got the drums. What else we should add? Let's add some chords. Okay, that's weird. See, that was a mistake, but it sounds good, so I'm gonna keep that. Quantize a little bit. Okay, perfect. I think I'm gonna keep this rhythm for now, for the chord. Okay, I'm gonna render this flute. Okay, let's render this synth as well. I like to work with the audio so I can manipulate it the way I want. Sound design. Let's try add halftime. Sounds really good. So I have this 100% mix, but I've rolled off this the band until up to 768 hertz, and now it sounds really dope. Okay, for this second flute here, it's too bright. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to EQ this a little bit, cut the high. Okay, this one I'm gonna reverse. Let's go to process and reverse this guy. New version. Nice. Let's try that. I'm gonna keep this pattern for the chorus, but for the verse I want it to be simple, right? So let's try again. So I think this beat is ready. I don't need to add too many stuff here because this beat, this melody and the chords and everything is just where it's supposed to be. There's a lot of space for the artists or the rappers to rap on it or sing on it. So I think there's nothing else that I need to add for this beat. Okay, so let's hear the beat one more time. Okay, make sure to smash the like button and enjoy this beat. Right, let's go. Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this beat, and if you guys did, please smash that like button, turn on notification, and share this video to all your friends and family. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.